In Thoothukudi district, Sathankulam block is the one of the water-stressed area. Arasur is a village panchayat in Sathankulam block with a population of 9,178. This panchayat come under critical as far as groundwater potential in concern. To improve the groundwater potential of this panchayat, District Collector Mr. Sandeep Nanduri IAS, it is decided to focus on to augment the groundwater on following strategy. 1. Water conservation and rainwater harvesting. 2. Renovation of traditional and other water bodies. 3. Reuse and borewell recharge structure. 4. Watershed development. 5. Intensive afforestation. To improve the groundwater potential using rainwater harvesting strategy, the Panchayat office premise was selected. Before implementation of the project, the 6 buildings located in the campus do not have a proper RWH system. Moreover, a defendant open well which had been used as a dustbin for the past 15 years was identified to desilt and put it back to use. Desilting operation started to the defendant borewell as it was the main source of water to the people in the premises. Almost a depth of 40 feet desilted and 38 cubic meter of a dust was removed. And combined RWH system for all 6 buildings situated in the premise has been created and rainwater collected is let into flow to the open well. Now people in the surrounding area are very happy since groundwater level has been fruitfully improved because of this project. Thank you.